Two triangles this Labor Day. Welcome to Stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Pla Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory.
Back in May, we told you about some triangles you could see in the sky after midnight. Well, thanks to our positioning in the solar system and the arrangement of the planets, we get to see another triangle formed by the planets and a lot earlier in the night.
That's right, James. The other triangle you see every year, high overhead on Labor Day. Wondering what we're talking about? Well, let's show you. Okay, we have our skies set up for about an hour after sunset on Labor Day, September 5th, facing west. The first thing you'll see is the waxing crescent moon among the stars of Virgo the Maiden. The brightest star, Spica, is very close to the horizon and will get caught up in the sun's glare soon. So, if you want to see it, check it out on Labor Day.
Next, look toward the south, and you'll see the familiar shape of Scorpius the Scorpion. Among these stars is our first triangle of the evening. The northernmost point in this triangle is the ringed planet Saturn. Saturn's rings are tipped toward us in such a way that if you have a small telescope, you'll get a picture-perfect view. Saturn is also getting a little further away from us and getting a little dimmer. So this is the brightest and biggest it will be until next year this time. Make sure you check it out this week.
The leftmost star in the triangle is the red planet Mars. Mars is still fairly close to us, but like Saturn, it's also getting farther away and a little dimmer each day. Mars was named after the Roman god of war because the red color of this planet reminded many ancient people of blood and violence.
The final part of our triangle is formed by the star Antares. Antares means rival of Mars, and if you look at it closely, it has the same reddish tint as Mars. However, this red celestial dazzler isn't red for the same reason that Mars is red. Antares is a red supergiant star that's nearing the end of its life. This star is just over 550 light years away from us, and it's so large that you could easily fit the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars inside it.
Alrighty, let's take a look at our second triangle for Labor Day.
Okay, we still have our skies set to an hour after sunset, and if you look directly overhead, you'll see the three brilliant stars of the summer triangle. Vega is the brightest star of Lyra the Harp, Deneb is the brightest star of Cygnus the Swan, and Altair is the brightest star of Aquila the Eagle.
The brightest star in the triangle is Vega, and it's only 25 light years from Earth, and is one of the most luminous stars in our neighborhood.
The second brightest star in the summer triangle is Altair, and it's only 17 light years from Earth. Of all the stars near us, Altair spins the fastest. At its equator, Altair can make one complete rotation in only 9 hours. Compare that to our sun, which takes 26 days to complete one rotation.
The last star of the summer triangle is the blue-white supergiant Deneb. Deneb just happens to be the North Star on Mars and is almost 60,000 times as bright as our sun. However, because it's over 3,000 light years away from us, it appears much fainter than Vega and Altair.
So, there you have it. Two bright triangles to light up your night sky this Labor Day: Mars, Saturn, and Antares.
And the ever popular and lovely summer triangle, Vega, Altair, and Deneb. Keep looking up.